In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by accessing Recorder app and clicking on this gear at the top right corner. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. Finally, to start recording, click on this red button at the bottom. Then choose while using the app and allow. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this button at the bottom left corner. To add a bookmark, click on this one on the right. And to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, tap on it. To rename it, hold it. Choose rename in the pop-up and type in wherever you want to. To save its name, hit OK. If you wish to get rid of it, you need to hold it as well, but this time tap on Delete and select Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!